Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to break free from the 9 to 5 grind and build a successful online business, you're not alone. I remember feeling completely stuck, watching other people make money online while I struggled to figure out where to even start. There's so much information out there, and honestly, it can get overwhelming. But what if there was a clear step-by-step system that could guide you through the entire process? That's exactly what Millionaire Warrior Academy promises to offer, and today, we're going to take a deep dive into it. Millionaire Warrior Academy is designed for aspiring entrepreneurs who want to make money using the WarriorPlus platform. If you don't know, WarriorPlus is a popular marketplace for digital products, and it's where a lot of marketers launch and sell their courses, software, and training programs. But the truth is, just listing a product on WarriorPlus isn't enough. You need the right strategy, the right positioning, and the right marketing approach to make sales and actually succeed. And that's where this program comes in. One of the things that stands out about Millionaire Warrior Academy is that it covers everything from A to Z. It's not just about product creation. It teaches you how to craft an irresistible offer, set up high-converting sales funnels, recruit affiliates to promote your product, and scale your business for long-term success. This is really important because most people focus on just one piece of the puzzle. Maybe they create a product, but they don't know how to sell it. Or they know how to generate traffic, but they don't have a good product to sell. This program connects all the dots so you're not left guessing what to do next. The training itself is structured in a way that makes it easy to follow. It starts with the fundamentals: how to set up your WarriorPlus account properly, how to choose the right niche, and how to create a digital product that people actually want to buy. This is crucial because if your product doesn't solve a real problem or stand out in the marketplace, it's going to be really hard to make consistent sales. From there, the program walks you through the process of building your sales funnel, creating high-converting sales pages, and using proven strategies to drive traffic to your offer. And let's be real, without traffic, your product is just sitting there collecting dust. So this part of the training is essential. One of the biggest challenges for most people trying to launch on WarriorPlus is getting affiliates to promote their product. If you've ever tried launching something before, you know how difficult it can be to convince people to send traffic your way, especially when you're just starting out. Millionaire Warrior Academy breaks down exactly how to recruit top affiliates, how to structure your commissions, and how to create an irresistible offer that gets affiliates excited to promote your product. This alone can make a huge difference in your results because when you have the right affiliates on board, your sales can skyrocket without you having to do all the heavy lifting yourself. Now, let's talk about scaling. A lot of people launch one product, make some sales, and then struggle with what to do next. This program doesn't just help you launch, it helps you build a real business. You'll learn how to turn one successful product into multiple revenue streams, how to automate your income, and how to keep growing your brand in a way that creates long-term financial freedom. It's not just about making a few sales and then starting over from scratch. It's about building something sustainable. Another thing I really like about this program is that it's packed with resources that save you time. You get done-for-you templates, sales page formulas, checklists, and insider strategies that have been used in six-figure launches. This means you're not just getting theory, you're getting real proven tactics that have already worked for other marketers. Instead of spending months figuring things out through trial and error, you get a shortcut to what actually works. Now, is this program for everyone? If you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, this isn't it. You will have to put in the work. But if you're serious about launching and scaling a profitable digital product business, this could be exactly what you need to finally see results. So, if you're tired of spinning your wheels, if you're ready to finally launch your own product, and if you want a system that gives you a real shot at success, Millionaire Warrior Academy is definitely worth checking out. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can learn more. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you ready to start your journey? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.